very important to have smoke alarms. Very, very important. I didn't smell smoke. I heard the alarm. I heard the loud noise, and it was the alarm. And then when I opened the door, I heard people, and I seen the smoke. I smelled the smoke. And I ran in the bedroom and woke my grandson up and told him it was a fire. And I go out my cat. Can't have to come back in here and get my cat. It happened real fast. Make sure there's batteries in your smoke alarm. Make sure you have smoke alarm because it saves lives. It saves lives. Because if we didn't have the alarm, I would have still been asleep. I'm glad I heard the alarm because it got us up and got me and my grandson up out of here. And my cat. It got us up out of here. Yeah, my grandson, we was blessed we got out of here.